class, Alfred got OSS from yesterday. Now I should introduce the newest student, Gwen.
Don't say my name.
Okay. Let's move on.
I didn't do my homework.
Why, Gwen?
I told you not to say my name.
Okay, why?
'Cause I didn't feel like it.
That's not a good reason. What is the real reason?
Because you're so stupid.
Don't talk to me like that. I am the teacher.
Whatever, fool.
Shut up, Gothy.
Did you just say that?
Yes.
I have a knife.
Are you threatening me?
Yay, why not?
Do you want what happened to Alfred happen to you?
Yay, sure.